Good evening.
Good evening, Miss.
Good evening, Miss.
Good evening.
Good evening, Miss.
Good evening, everyone. Please mark your attendance. Please mark your attendance.
Good evening, Miss.
Good evening. Everyone, mark your attendance.
Good afternoon, Miss.
Good afternoon. Alna, Aditya, Suryadev, Shipi, Alan, Aaron, Ebin, Abdul Basit, Devanjana, Christy Sindhu, Nihal, Devapriya. Ashin, Nihal, Shambir. Class. Okay, you had a homework, right?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Okay. What was the area of the land? Area of the plot, which is 75 meter long and 45 meter wide. What's the area of that plot?
Three thousand 3,375 square centimeter.
3,300
75. 2,050. 2,850.
Okay, what is the area of the path?
2,850.
Okay, what's the area of the path?
552. 575.
That is 40.
525.
Okay, the plot of,
3,060.
okay, plot of a plot of land of length 75 meter and width 45 meter has a 70 meter wide pathway running lengthwise through it. Find the area of the pathway and area of the remaining plot. So here, area of the pathway. To find the area of the pathway, you have to first find the breadth is given there. You have to find the length. Okay, since it's running lengthwise, the length of the pathway will be equal to the length of the plot, that is 75. So area of the plot will be 75 is the length and 7 is the breadth. 75 into 7, 525, right? Area of the path. Okay, then we need to find the area of, okay, then area of the remaining plot that we have to find, right? We will get that by, how we can find that? If we subtract the area of the path from the area of the plot, you will get the area of the remaining plot. Okay, area of the plot minus area of the path is equal to area of the remaining plot. So here area of the path, sorry, plot is 3,375. Okay, when you will get, when you will subtract the area of the path from the area of the plot, you will get 2,850 square meter. That is the area of the remaining. That's the remaining area. Okay. Path ഒഴികെയുള്ള ബാക്കിയുള്ള സ്ഥലത്തിന്റെ area 2,850 square meter. Clear? 2850 the correct answer. Answer കിട്ടാത്തവര് ഒന്നുകൂടെ ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യാം. റിമൈനിങ് ഏരിയ കാണാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് പ്ലോട്ടിന്റെ ഏരിയയിൽ നിന്ന് പാത്തിന്റെ ഏരിയ മൈനസ് ചെയ്താൽ മതി. യു ക്യാൻ സബ്ട്രാക്ട് ദ ഏരിയ ഓഫ് ദ പാത്ത് ഫ്രം ദ ഏരിയ ഓഫ് ദ പ്ലോട്ട് ടു ഗെറ്റ് ദ റിമൈനിങ് ഏരിയ. ക്ലിയർ? You have to respond, I told you, in the class group. Okay? ഞാൻ ചോദിക്കുന്നതിന് നിങ്ങൾ കറക്റ്റ് ആയിട്ട് റെസ്പോൺസ് തരണം. ക്ലിയർ? So we were discussing a question about pathways which is running all around its inner boundary. This is the question. There is a rectangular park 175 meter long and 140 meter broad. Has a 2 meter broad jogging track running all around its inner boundary. Find the area of the jogging track. So ഇവിടെ നമുക്ക് കുറച്ച് അധികം ഇൻഫർമേഷൻ ഉണ്ട്. Here it is a rectangular park. It's a rectangular park. Length and breadth of the park is given. Okay, length and breadth of the park is 175 meter is the length of the park and 140 meter is the breadth of the park. Okay, ആ പാർക്കിന്റെ ഉള്ളിലൂടെ ഇന്നർ ബൗണ്ടറിയിൽ പുറത്തെയല്ല, ആ പാർക്കിന്റെ ഉള്ളിൽ തന്നെ ഒരു പാത്ത് ഉണ്ട് അല്ലെ? There is a path. അതാണ് പറയുന്നത് jogging track running all around means ചുറ്റും അല്ലെ? all around its inner boundary. inner boundary എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ പാർക്കിന്റെ ആ ഒരാളുടെ സ്ഥലമാണ്, ആ മീൻസ് ഒരു ഓണറുടെ പാർക്ക് ആണെങ്കിൽ ആ വെളിയിലല്ല, ആ പാർക്കിന്റെ ഉള്ളിലാണ് പാത്ത് വരുന്നത്. ക്ലിയർ? ഓക്കെ, അതെല്ലാം അയാളുടെ തന്നെ സ്വന്തമാണ്, വെളിയിലല്ല ഉള്ളിൽ തന്നെ വരുന്നത്. ഇന്നർ ബൗണ്ടറി. Okay, find the area of the jogging track. What we have to find? We have to find the area of the jogging track. So, see this line. This is the length and breadth of the park, right? Okay, we know the width of the park. Do you know the width of the park? Or breadth of the park? I'm sorry, path. You know the breadth of the path?
Yes.
Yeah, what is it?
2 meter.
It's 2 meter. Okay, 2 meter is the breadth. Two meter is the breadth. So this distance is 2 meter, right? And what about this? This distance, this is also
2 meter.
Yeah, that is also
2 meter.
yep, 2 meter. And here this width, what about this width?
2 meter.
Okay,
Meter.
that is also
2 meter.
two meter. Okay, so to find the what we have to find here, we don't know, we just don't want to find the area of the park or something. Okay, we don't need to find the, we were asked to find the area of the jogging track, not the park. നമ്മളോട് എന്താ പറഞ്ഞത്? jogging track ന്റെ ഏരിയ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാനാണ് അല്ലേ? not the area of the park. പാർക്കിന്റെ ഏരിയ ആണോ?
No.
No. So here this is the park, right? Actually ഈ പോർഷൻ എല്ലാം പാർക്കിൽ പെടുന്നതാണ് അല്ലേ, including the path. Okay, we only need to find the area. Orange ഷെയ്ഡിൽ കാണുന്ന റീജിയന്റെ ഏരിയ മാത്രം നമുക്ക് കണ്ടാൽ മതി അല്ലേ? How can we find that? We can find that Can you see a rectangle here in green color, green shaded rectangle?
Yes,
Yes.
And there is a big one more rectangle,
Yes.
right? Which is the park. Which is the park. Okay, we can find the area of the park, right? We can find the area of the park. Yeah.
No.
Yes, we can find the area of the park because we have the length and breadth of the park, right? Park എന്ന് പറയുന്ന yeah, park എന്ന് പറയുന്ന വലിയ rectangle ആണല്ലേ? The bigger rectangle is the park. We can find the area of the bigger rectangle, that is the park, because length and breadth are given. Okay. Now, can you find the area of this rectangle which is in green color? Okay, I am going to give name to the
4
rectangle.
meters.
See, the bigger rectangle, I am going to give a name A, B, C, D. Okay, A, B, C, D is the bigger rectangle. Okay, there is a smaller rectangle inside the park or inside rectangle A, B, C, D, right? This one. And I'm going to give it E, F, F, here, G, and here, H. H. Now we consider the rectangle ABCD and EFGH. Okay, ABCD in the bigger rectangle name, EFGH in the kunyu rectangle name, a path the path comes between, yeah, this shaded region. So if we subtract the area of the smaller rectangle from the area of the bigger rectangle, we will get this shaded area, right? Or the area of the path. Got it? If we subtract the area of this small rectangle from the area of the bigger rectangle, we will get the region shaded in orange color, right?
Yes.
Okay. That logic we are going to apply here. What we have to find, we need to find the area of the path, right? Area of the jogging track. Area of the jogging track that we have to find. We need to find the area of the jogging track. That will be equal to area of the rectangle. Area of rectangle ABCD minus area of rectangle EFGH. If we subtract the area of the rectangle EFGH from the area of rectangle ABCD, we will get the area of the jogging track. Clear? Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. We can find the area of ABCD because ABCD is the park, right? The big rectangle ABCD is the park. Area of ABCD. Area of rectangle ABCD. What is the area of rectangle ABCD? ABCD is the park. It is the bigger rectangle. A, B, C, T. We know its length and breadth, right? Length of the park. What is the length of the park? It is given there. It is 175.
175.
Yeah, very good. Then breadth.
140 meter.
140 meter breadth of the park. Okay. area of rectangle ABCD. So area of rectangle ABCD, that is equal to area of the park. Rectangle ABCD in the parina is actually the park. Okay, so area of rectangle ABCD will be the area of the park. Clear? So you know the length and breadth of the park. Then what will be the area of the park? It will be L into B. What is L here?
175
Yeah.
meter.
175 meter. And what is B here?
145 meter.
145 meter. It will give you the area of what?
Park.
It's not-
ABCD.
It's 140, right? Not 145. Sorry.
140.
It's 140, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So calculate 145, 175 into 140. Multiply 175 and 140.
Miss 24,500.
24,500. Okay. 500 square meter. That is the area of what? That is the area of rectangle or the park. Area of the park or area of the rectangle ABCD. So it is easy to find the area of the park was easy, but we have a rectangle inside, right? EFGH. EFGH. How can we find the length and breadth of that rectangle? Can you find it? EFGH. Okay, now consider rectangle EFGH. Now you consider rectangle EFGH. We need to find the length. Length. We need to find the length. This is the length. EH and FG is the length of the rectangle, right? Can you tell me the value? Can you tell me the length of this rectangle? Before that, you tell me.
2 meter.
No, that's not 2 meter. What is this length? This length, I'm going to draw an arrow there. What is that length? 170. That is 175 meter. We only need this length, right? EH maatre namukku vendu alla. We only need EH. So, do you know this length? This small portion? Do you know the length of that line? This small line?
2 meter.
Yeah.
2 meter.
And what about this? This is also
2 meter.
okay.
2 meter.
Okay. If we subtract this 2 meter plus 2 meter, that is 4 meter from 175, we will get this length EH, right? Clear? E 175 ആണ് ഈ total length. This is 175. We only need the length of the line EH. EH ന്റെ length മാത്രമേ നമുക്ക് വേണ്ടൂ. That is the length of the rectangle EFGH. Okay, അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടുത്തെ ഈ പോർഷൻ നമുക്ക് വേണ്ട, ഇവിടുത്തെ ഈ പോർഷൻ നമുക്ക് വേണ്ട. Okay, this portion, I mean this length is 2 meter and this length is 2 meter. Okay, par under 2 meter 175 in the subtract here. We can subtract those 2 meters from 175. Then what will you get? The length of the rectangle will be length of EFGH. That it will be equal to 175 meter minus 2 meter. 2 meter this length, this 2 meter minus again here is one more 2 meter, 2 meter. Okay, that will give you 1. What will you get? 175 meter minus 2 meter minus 2 meter. Then what is the value? First 2 meter minus same way, what will you get? 175 and the 2 meter minus same way, what will you get? When we minus 2 meter from 175, you will get?
173.
Okay. Now you can subtract this 2 meter from 173. What will you get now?
171.
171. Okay. This will be the length of the rectangle EFGH. Clear? So this is the length of the rectangle EFGH. Now we need to find the breadth in the same method. Okay, breadth of EFGH. We have to find the breadth of the rectangle EFGH. For that, we can use the same method. Okay, first we have to consider this length. Which length? Here, this length. Tell me this length.
140.
That is 140 meter. Okay, but we only need the length of the line EF. Only this much of portion we need, EF. Okay, only we need the length of the line EF only. So we don't need this portion and this portion. What is the length of those portions? Each of?
2 meter. 2
Okay.
meter.
So how can we find the breadth of that line? EF?
140 minus
Very good.
2 minus 2. 2 meter minus 2 meter.
Okay, very good. Very good, very good. 140 meter minus 2 meter minus 2 meter. ആ രണ്ട് 2 meter വരാൻ കാരണം രണ്ട് എൻഡിലും നമുക്ക് വേണ്ടാത്ത 2 meter ഉണ്ടല്ലേ? So, what is the value? Then what is the breadth of EFGH?
136 meter.
136 meter. Good, good. So, now you got the area, sorry, length and breadth of EFGH. Next step, what we need to find? We need to find?
Area.
Yeah, we need to find area. We know the length and breadth. L into B is the equation. Substitute that. What is L here?
171 meter.
Yeah, 170 meter into breadth.
136 meter.
136 meter. 171 meter into 136 meter. Do it and tell me the answer.
23,256.
Yeah, you are looking at the textbook, I guess. Okay, I'll give you homework, then you can do the calculation from home. Okay, 23,256 square meter is the area of the rectangle, the smaller rectangle. Area of the smaller rectangle is that. So, what is our actual aim? We need to find what? We need to find?
Find the area of the jogging track.
Yeah, we need to find the area of the jogging track. Let's find it now. Okay, to find the area of the jogging track, we needed area of the rectangle ABCD that we have found here, and area of rectangle EFGH that also we know. Now we only need to substitute the values. Okay, area of jogging track. Area of jogging track is equal to area of rectangle ABCD. What's the area of rectangle ABCD? What's the area of rectangle ABCD? Area of rectangle ABCD. Tell me.
24,500.
Yeah, 24,500 is the area of the rectangle ABCD. Now, what is the next thing we need? We have to subtract what? Area of rectangle EFGH, right?
Yes.
Do you know the area of EFGH, rectangle EFGH?
23,256.
256. Okay, when you subtract that value from this, you will get 1,244 square meter. What is this? This is the area of the jogging track. Clear? This is the area of the jogging track. Clear? Do you have any doubt? Any
No,
doubt?
miss.
No doubt, right? Everyone got it right? Okay. Okay. Devapriya, do you have doubt? No.
Miss, finish ആയില്ല.
You are copying the answer to your notebook?
Yes.
Okay, do it fast. Let me find a question for you guys. Oh, we have one more pathway to discuss, right? Length of the park, 175 meter. Breadth of the park, 140 meter. The area of the jogging track is equal to, did you draw the picture? Then only you will understand this.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Can you see my screen now? Is it very small?
No, miss.
Okay, I'll share this in the class group. You can copy that from class group. Let's not waste time for this. Okay, I'll send it to the class group. Okay, you can copy that then. Then let's move on to the next question. Oh, I didn't type that question here. Next question. Look at example 15 in your textbook. Example 15. Page number, is it 153? No, 152? 180?
Miss, 162.
162. Take 162. So, a rectangular. Read the question. You guys read the question and tell me. Read the question 2 times. Then explain it to me. Don't take too much of time. You have to tell me soon. Did you understand the question? Okay, latecomers also have to mark your attendance. Do not forget you mark your attendance, okay? Okay, the question is that a rectangular ground, 120 meter long and 60 meter wide, has 2 pathways of width 5 meter each, running in the middle along its length and breadth. Find the area covered by the pathways. Look at the question now. Okay. What is the shape of the ground?
Rectangular.
It's a rectangular ground. Okay. So what first we have to do? First we have to draw a rectangle. Okay. This is the rectangular ground. Okay. Do you know its length and breadth? Do you know its length and breadth? Is it given in the question?
Yes.
Yeah, what's the length?
120 meter.
120 meter. Okay, then tell me the breadth.
60 meter.
60 meter. Okay. Then what you can find from the question next? It has something. What is it?
5 meter.
5 meter what?
It's running in the middle.
What is running in the middle? It has that ground has two pathways. The ground has two pathways, not one. It has two pathways. Okay. You know the breadth or width of that pathway? Do you know it?
Yes.
Okay, what is it? What's the width?
5.
Yeah.
5 meter.
Okay, there are two pathways and the width of the pathway is 5 meter. It's same for both pathways. Each 5 meter each. 5 meter width. The width of two pathways is 5 meter, right? And it is running in the middle. എവിടെ കൂടിയാണ് ആ ഗ്രൗണ്ട് നടക്കൂടിയാണ് രണ്ട് പോകുന്നത് അല്ലേ? But one along its length and other along its breadth. Okay, middle along its length and breadth എന്നാ പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നത്. Along its length and breadth. ഒരെണ്ണം length wise ഒരെണ്ണം breadth wise ആണ് അല്ലേ? മനസ്സിലായോ? Running in the middle along its length and breadth. There are two pathways, one running along the line along its length and other pathway running along its breadth. Clear? So there are two pathways. Let me draw that. There are two pathways. One is running along, it's in the middle of the ground and running like this, and one more pathway is there which is running breadthwise. Yeah, like this. Okay, and we know it's width, right? We know it's width. Yeah, what is it width? It's
5 meter.
Yeah, it's 5 meter. It's 5 meter here. 5 meter. Here also it's 5 meter, right? I mean, let me draw that. Here also it's 5 meter. Okay. Next, what we have to find? What we have to find?
Find the area covered by the path.
Find the area covered by the pathways. Pathways. രണ്ടും കവർ ചെയ്യുന്ന പാത്വേ ഏരിയ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണം. ഓക്കെ, ആ പറമ്പിൽ കൂടെ ടു പാത്വേസ്, രണ്ട് വഴികൾ പോകുന്നുണ്ട് അല്ലെ? ആ രണ്ട് വഴിയുടെയും ഏരിയ നമുക്ക് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണം. Can we find it? See this pathway. We need to add the area of this pathway which is running lengthwise, and here is another pathway which is running breadthwise. Clear? ഒരു pathway lengthwise പോകുന്നതാണ്, ഒരു pathway breadthwise പോകുന്നതാണ്. Okay, so we need to find the area of those two pathway. ആ രണ്ട് pathwayയുടെ കൂടെ ഏരിയ ആണ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുന്നത് അല്ലേ? ആ പറമ്പിലുള്ള എല്ലാ വഴികളുടെയും മൊത്തം ഏരിയ. Clear? Yes. So if we add the area of the lengthwise pathway and area of the breadthwise pathway, will you get the area covered by the pathways? Lengthwise ഉള്ള ഈ പാത്വേയുടെയും breadthwise ഉള്ള ഈ പാത്വേയുടെ ഏരിയ നമ്മൾ ആഡ് ചെയ്താൽ ആ ഫുൾ പാത്വേസിന്റെ ഏരിയ കിട്ടുമോ? ആ പറമ്പിലെ മൊത്തം പാത്വേസിന്റെ ടോട്ടൽ ഏരിയ കിട്ടുമോ? What do you think? എന്തായാലും പറഞ്ഞോ, no problem. Whether it is right or no, no problem. At least tell me.
The pathway.
Hmm?
No.
Actually, we can find it like that, but we can add area of this pathway. Okay, this pathway means e orange color മാറ്റി കൊടുക്കാം അതായിരിക്കും better. Okay, 2 minutes time only. You can see a pathway in blue color. Right.
Yes.
If we add the length of, if we add the area of this pathway, which is in blue color, and you can see a pathway in orange color, right? If we add the area of those orange pathway and blue pathway, we will get the area of the pathways in that ground, right? But here is a twist. Can you see this small, here, this region? Can you see this region? ഇവിടെ ഒരു ചെറിയൊരു സ്ക്വയർ കണ്ടോ?
Yes.
ആ സ്ക്വയർ ലെങ്ത് വൈസ് പാത്വേ ആൻഡ് ബ്രെഡ് വൈസ് പാത്വേക്ക് കോമൺ ആയിട്ട് വരുന്നതല്ലേ? അത് 2 തവണ ആഡ് ചെയ്ത് വരും അല്ലേ? ലെങ്ത് വൈസ് പാത്വേയിലും ബ്രെഡ് വൈസ് പാത്വേയിലും ഉണ്ടാവും അത്. അതിന്റെ വാല്യൂ 2 തവണ ആഡ് ചെയ്ത് വരും. അത് നമുക്ക് ആവശ്യമുണ്ടോ 2 തവണ? 1 തവണ മതി അല്ലേ? See, A, did you understand that point? ഇപ്പൊ ഞാൻ പേര് കൊടുക്കാൻ പോയാൽ എനിക്ക് സമയം ഉണ്ടാവില്ല. Okay, we have only 1 minute time left. We will do in the next class, but till that time, let's discuss about that. Okay, here is the blue color pathway. We can find the area of that pathway, right? What is the length of this blue color pathway? What is the length?
50 meters.
Yeah, very good. What is its width?
5 meters.
Very good.
No.
120 meters is the length of that pathway. 5 meters is the width or breadth. And now consider the orange pathway. What is its length?
60.
Very good. 60 meters is the length of that pathway. What is its breadth?
5
Breadth.
meters.